Monty. Say hi to Monty.
Hi, Monty.
Say it again. Oh, who's that, buddy?
Hi, Monty.
He says hi, Ian.
Ask him for kisses.
Talk to him, Ian.
Monty.
Monty.
Ask him for kisses.
Monty. What kisses?
Oh, those are some good kisses.
Monty, is that Ian? Is that Ian? Talk to him, Ian.
Monty, what are you doing? Are you being a bad boy?
No, he's not bad.
Ask him for kisses.
Monty, do you miss me?
Oh, he says, oh, kisses. Good boy. Kisses for Ian, eh? Ian, tell him to sit and see if he'll do it over the phone.
Monty, sit.
Uh-oh. Nope, he's giving you kisses. Try again.
Tell him now.
Monty, sit. Did it work?
No, try him again.
Monty, sit.
Not happening. Monty, sit. Oh, don't bark at me. Yes, it's Ian.
Monty, sit. Did
Me-
it work?
No, he's gonna bark at you though, I think.
He barked at me.
Oh, who is it? Say hi to Ian.
We never had a speakerphone.
Okay, say goodnight.
Good night, Monty.
Ian's going to bed. Yes, Ian's going to bed, buddy. Oh. Say goodnight.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, kiss his face. Kiss his face.
Aww.
Is that Auntie Lane? Yeah, you're a silly boy. Okay, say goodnight.
Good night, Monty.
Good night, Monty and Auntie. I love you.
Love you too, buddy. Good night.
Chicken poo.
Bye.
Bye.